I'm going to show you how to factory reset a pair of Bowers and Wilkins headphones. This is the Px7 S2 model, but this should work for other models as well, like the Px8. And we're going to factory reset these without using the app. So in order to factory reset these, what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold three buttons, okay? It's going to be the volume up, volume down, and a customizable button here on the left ear here, okay? So volume up, volume down. This middle one here is the play pause, okay? So we want these two buttons here and this one here. So we want to go ahead and turn it on first. So we're going to go ahead and use this button here, just pop it up and just wait for the light to turn on. You can see that little white light right there. So now what we want to do is just leave it blinking, all right? Volume up, volume down, and customizable button here. Ready, set, go. Now look at that light right there. Now keep holding. Just keep holding until light turns off and turns back on, okay? It's off. Okay, it's off now, just wait. Okay, now it's back on. It's a little white light. Now let go, and it should automatically go into pairing mode. You'll notice in pairing mode, if it's blinking blue, 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 you can see it right there. So we just reset these, okay? Now the thing is, it's in pairing mode because it's blinking blue, blue, all right? Now before, I was already connected to my iPhone here, okay? So it's not going to connect back now, even though it's in pairing mode, okay? So I have to click on here, and let me forget this device, or if you're on an Android phone, unpair, okay? Now it's searching for devices in pairing mode, all right? And if it doesn't work, just turn it off, the Bluetooth, and turn it back on. It's still in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, blue. Now just wait. There we go, Px7 S2, let's tap on that. And now I just factory reset the headphones and I paired it back to my iPhone, so it's connected. Pretty simple.